what Ping An wants from HSBC. Where's the pressure coming from?
So what they say they want is they want the breakup of the bank, and specifically what they would like is to see the Asian business separated off. Now, this isn't something new. We've heard about this type of thing for years. But what is new is someone like Ping An saying it. This is the largest shareholder in HSBC, a long-time holder of the shares, and they are, coming at this very strongly, and it puts the bank in a bit of a quandary because obviously they don't want to be seen to be dismissing it out of hand. But on the other hand, this is something very avowedly against what their strategy is about.
Yeah, I mean, and how has HSBC reacted then to this pressure and Ping An's fairly public, it sounds like, campaign?
Well, at the moment, it's pretty much been radio silence. It has been a fairly sort of anodyne statement out, but the real problem is there hasn't really been any particular official contact between both the sides here. So HSBC hasn't, as far as we're aware, spoken directly yet to Ping An about this, and so I think there's a bit of a kind of phony war going on here, where neither side really sort of knows what the other is going to do, and they kind of sort of just sensing what others might think, whether there will be another big supporter, for instance.
Yeah, I mean, in a sense, it's not a surprise that questions might be asked about the future of a business that tries to span China and the West, China and Europe, because of where we find ourselves geopolitically at this point.
Yes, exactly. I mean, the geopolitical question has been there for a long time now of HSBC. For instance, they've had a number of sort of fairly sort of hairy run-ins, most particularly the Huawei situation a few years back. But they've tried to address it. They do have an Asia pivot strategy now. They are talking a lot more about putting a lot more investment back into Asia. They've moved a lot of their management from London to Asia. They've tried addressing these concerns, but obviously for Ping An, it doesn't seem to be enough.